Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I am going to tell you how to use MyFitnessPal's meal scans feature. So let's get started with the video. So basically the meal scan, it is a premium feature in this application. So if you want to use this feature, you need to make sure that you have subscribed to the premium option for this application. There is a 30-day trial application and you can cancel it anytime. So you can definitely go for that. Make sure that you have the latest version of the applications and you are logged into your MyFitnessPal premium account. After that, what you need to do is tap on this plus icon that you will see at the bottom of the home screen. And here you will see an option of meal scan. So what you have to do, you have to click on that and hold your phone basically and make sure that you're using the correct angle to capture the food and then click on this barcode icon. So basically the application will analyze the meal and suggest you the possible matches from their database. You can select the correct food over here and adjust the portions if needed. If you want to adjust it, you can do that. After that, what you can do, you can tap on this log icon that you will see at the bottom right side, log meal. So as you can see, the meal has been logged successfully. So this is how you can use the MyFitnessPal's meal scan feature. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.